What is the difference between Excel and HTML? Have you ever wondered how web pages display content or how data is shared between different systems? Today, we will look at two important markup languages, Extensible Markup Language and HyperText Markup Language. While they may seem similar, they serve very different purposes in the world of computing. First, let's talk about their main functions. HyperText Markup Language is primarily used for displaying and formatting content on web pages. It defines how elements like text, images, and links appear in web browsers. On the other hand, Extensible Markup Language is designed for storing and transporting data. It provides a flexible framework that allows users to create custom tags to describe the structure and meaning of data, rather than focusing on how it looks. Now let's discuss the tag structure. HyperText Markup Language uses a predefined set of tags, such as paragraph, division, and image tags, which browsers recognize to render content visually. In contrast, Extensible Markup Language allows users to create their own tags to describe data elements, making it adaptable to various domains. When it comes to syntax rules, HyperText Markup Language is more forgiving. It is not case-sensitive, and some tags can be left unclosed without causing errors. Extensible Markup Language, however, has strict syntax rules. It is case-sensitive, requires all tags to be properly closed, and mandates a single root element in each document. If there are any errors in an Extensible Markup Language document, it must be corrected for the document to be valid. Next, let's look at how they handle data. HyperText Markup Language focuses on presentation and does not carry data itself, making it static in nature. Extensible Markup Language is dynamic and self-describing, meaning the data is embedded within the tags. This makes it both human-readable and machine-readable. It is often used for data exchange between systems, web services, and databases. In terms of document size and complexity, HyperText Markup Language documents tend to be smaller and simpler due to their limited tag set and focus on display. Extensible Markup Language documents can be larger and more complex because of verbose tagging and detailed data descriptions. Error handling is another area where these two languages differ. Browsers can often render HyperText Markup Language even if there are minor errors. However, Extensible Markup Language parsers do not allow errors. Any syntax mistake causes the document to fail parsing. Finally, let's touch on applications in computing and emerging technology. HyperText Markup Language remains the backbone of web page creation and user interface design. Extensible Markup Language plays a significant role in domain-specific languages and data interchange formats. Its extensibility allows industries to define custom document formats for complex data management, such as in web services and electronic data interchange. In summary, HyperText Markup Language is focused on how data is presented to users on the web, while Extensible Markup Language is designed to describe, store, and transport data in a structured and machine-readable way. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate their roles in software development innovations and the broader context of computing.